Hi, I'm Chris Gates with Virtual Systems. Veeam M365 V7 is bringing some serious game with its latest features. First up, we've got the self-restore portal. This takes the burden off the IT team and lets the user decide what to restore. Need to recover a file? Boom, it's done. Want to recover an entire mailbox? No problemo. The self-restore portal is like having a backup superhero on speed dial. Veeam M365 V7 also offers Teams data protection finally, which means you can now keep your Teams chats, files, and settings safe and sound. And let's face it, with all the memes and GIFs flying around in those group chats, that's a lot of precious data to protect. Last but not least, we have immutability for backup copy. So immutability is achieved with write once, read many technology. Worm storage ensures that data is written to a storage device once and cannot be modified or deleted afterwards. This feature is very useful in industries with strict compliance and regulatory requirements, such as healthcare and finance, where data integrity and security are critical. Immutability for backup copy ensures that backup data is always available for recovery, even in the face of a ransomware attack. M365 V7 is here to save the day with its self-restore portal, Teams data protection, and immutability for backup copy. Backing up your data has never been this fun. Don't forget to like or follow the Virtual Systems social media pages if you want to keep up to date on the latest data protection topics.